Welcome back friends, watch that video at the last moment. Here I would click on the text options and I have to write the snow file and it which you will see on that. And guys, that's have been shown on that side. So I have to choose that one style. Now we could choose different kinds of colors for us, so that color is an awesome. And we could also choose any kind of colors from here, and at that point guys we could make it highlighted, like with any amazing and beautiful colors. Now we could apply any kind of a stroke on it guys, which you could watch on the screen. Like these strokes have been applied on it, and that's